loss, how I took this loss, and why I took this loss. Um, Knowing that you never have complete um, guarantee that the market is going to do something. Um, I was a bit frustrated with this loss because I was at least 20 pips in profit. Um, and I had two positions in, and something told me just to take partials off the table and leave the other one at break even. And of course, the market comes right back on me, and there you go. And this is the reason why we need to listen to our instincts and why you need to take partials in the market. So I was looking at this setup right here, and I was wanting the market to pull back into this area, knowing that this is the supply zone for more sales. And I put my stop loss above here. Hold on for a second. Put my stop loss above here. My entry will be somewhere in here, and my TP will be here, and my take profit level, my TP won't be there, and my TP2 will be here. All right. And I was hoping to do something like this, right? So knowing your USD, it does not move like AU. If you can see, hold on for a second. You see AU move differently. It gave us a little bit pullback, but it was a choppy one and just dropped. Euro USD gave us a pullback, dropped a little bit, and then shot up. So these two pairs do not correlate very well. So is there anything I could have done to avoid this? No, there was nothing I could have done to avoid this. And I believe the setup I ended up taking was very good. I just ended up getting stopped out. It just ended up not going my way. Okay. Typically Wednesdays, for some reason, this always happens to me on a Wednesday. It always happens to me on a Wednesday. So I was thinking about just not trading on Wednesdays. I'm gonna just be honest. And I want you guys to think about that. If something continues to do something over and over and over on a particular day, just don't trade on that day. You know? So let me show you something right here. So go back to this replay. The marker was right here at the time. Okay. I was at live. I was YouTube live doing this. And basically, I was looking for this pullback into this area. So basically, I had my short position right here. Take profit one right here. At least 37 pips, right? So doing 5 minutes. Market is coming up, right? Market's coming up. Boom. So you get that rejection, right? And then on top of that, I'm up 22 pips. I'm expecting Euro USD to at least hit this low. So when I'm up 22 pips, at this point, I should have put at break even. Take 20 pip partials, let the bad boy run, right? Instead, I just nah, I think it's gonna hit my take profit, and then I let the other one just go, right? Take partials, and I'll just let this one go here, or let it go here. And so the market does get close to my take profit, right? So we're about 30 pips in profit, right? Still haven't taken any partials, right? Boom, market's coming back on me. I'm not watching this. I'm literally at work trading this, and I'm literally like, okay, there was a time where I did look at my phone. I'm like, oh crap, it's pulling back on me. And I'm like, I'll be fine. This is the last point of high I was at, which is right here. So it's probably just coming to retest that area and fill that wick. Well, stop me out. So I ended up actually getting out around this area just because I'm not trying to take the whole, the full loss. Okay. It was right here. So this is what I want you guys to know and understand. When you take your setup and your setup is in profit at least 20-30 pips, take partials. Take partials, put the rest at break even. If you don't take partials, just let it go and let the trade do what it got to do. It was a really good lesson because I was literally just talking about this, how I was going to take partials and I didn't. It's the same way as you see your setup and you don't take your setup because you're afraid that the market's going to go against you. Those are two exact things that cause us to be not profitable in the markets. So I believe that your USD can actually head up to these highs, as we can see. Where is that? So let's delete all this. All right. Your USD is at these highs. 4 hours, even at the daily high. Okay. I believe that your USD is going to come up here. We could see something like this. Okay. Now, you could put a pending order right here. Have a 15 pip stop loss, 20 pip stop loss. It's up to you. So I think, guys, when you actually get to the place to where you're actually just taking your setups, taking partials, I believe no matter what, you're going to be a profitable trader, especially if you take partials and put in that break even. It's going to increase the probability of you winning. Now, that doesn't mean that if you don't do that, that you're not going to be profitable. But what I'm saying is you're going to increase your probability of winning. Plus, you can get a second entry and it'll be risk-free after that. So I could possibly see some sales here in this area. This is the last place that your USD fell. And look, remember, guys, you have this double top formation. Watch this, or this M formation. So you have a double top formation. All right, just do it like this. All right, fell, corrective nature, falling. What's this, guys? Corrective nature. All right, might fall. Okay, so it's NFP Friday. I don't plan on trading NFP. I'm learning to stay away from super volatile events, and I just think that you got to take what you see when the markets are safe. I feel like sometimes NFP is just, it's literally gambling sometimes, just because you're trying to guess what the market's going to do. Now, if you have a setup and if you have been trading NFP for a while and it's been doing great for you, then stick to it. But for me, I just don't really like trading NFP. It can go either way. It can go against you or for you. So, but yeah, I just want you guys to just know that this setup, I believe, is coming. This could be a possible good setup, but I will not rush this setup either. If you put it pending, at least put your stop loss above this high. And yeah, so everything else right now is just not looking good. Very choppy. All the USD is choppy. Gold could definitely come back up. The 4 hour. Just for some more sales. Maybe we can catch another retracement. Right. This is where I originally wanted to sell, but you never know with gold when it's going to start rejecting. So start rejecting here. I was thinking about putting a sell in it, but but since I already lost on Euro USD, I didn't want to risk more than I had to already. But there goes my drop anyways, right? See, I'm afraid to get in, right? US 30. US 30 came to the clutch. GJ came to the clutch. I'm not worried about GJ. I don't plan on trading GJ this week. So, hey guys, so I hope this video was helpful and hope you guys have a wonderful day, and like, subscribe if you like this channel. In this video, I hope I made that as simple as possible. So